Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to With Ichu. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my video, guys. I love you so much. So this still reaction from your song. This from Barzan Mustafa. Reaction Ozhin Nawzad Kurdish music. Thank you for Barzan Mustafa. This first I know Ozhin Nawzad, so I chose song title. Wait ya. Title Sosial Team Jani Min. Yeah, I chose this, but this long duration, yeah, 10 minutes. So let's start with watching. Thank you for Barzan Mustafa. Kurdish people, I love Kurdistan. Wow. This Ozhin Nawzad. Just piano. Wow. So handsome. So nice. There are different, yeah. Look. Good voice. Joker.
Snapchat barayasan dul mondum tipek nasan arkana mahatu roy payوستی کردم سراتا وكو هاوره هاتین هتانی وره گرمان بخوش نویستی دلی هردوک مرویستی دلم لدا جیر کرا بینم دست بکرا تو لو برو من لرا هردوک من لکامل تو لو برو من لر هردوک من لکامل استا کدنگم نبی من بینی ورنگم نبی بی اوی بلم بوچی صدم ورایی موچی بی اوی بلم بوچی صدم ورایی خوشویستم جانم بودم توی درمانیم خوشویستم جانم بودم توی درمانیم خورمان گوستیرم توی ارزو آسمانیم حرفکانی ناوی تو یکسان باشیانیم حرفکانی ناوی تو یکسان باشیانیم
Why face his oh, Masya Allah. I like Ozhin. Şoşavistim canım, I just know şoşavistim canım, bodum toy dermanim, orman gösterim, toyar su asmanim, harfakani navit, yaksana başyanim, harfakani navit, yaksana başyanim. Josmani. Kamera always zoom he friends. Because I think this same lyric, so I enough watch this video. But a long duration, later you bored see my video, okay? But you can say to Ozhin that me like him, each youth from Indonesia like him. Like his song. Okay guys, thank you so much for your attention. Don't not bored ya, see my video, keep watching my video guys. I know I ugly. So don't forget you subscribe, don't forget you comment, and don't forget you like, okay? I hope you not bored see my face. Yeah, I know I ugly, but not bored ya, see my video, okay? Always see my video, okay guys? Don't forget you share to your friend, okay? Thank you so much. I love Kurdistan. Kurdistan love me. Alhamdulillah. I hope I can visit to Kurdistan later, okay? And I want to make vlog, tour, travel to Kurdistan. Wow, amazing. I hope I can visit to Kurdistan. I am patient. So guys, thank you so much. See you next video.